What's up, guys? Ever tried slicing a tomato with a dull knife and ended up crushing it instead? Welcome back to Tech Product. Today, we're talking about the best electric knife sharpener, a tool that can bring your old blades back to life without a complicated setup. If your kitchen knives have lost their edge, this might be exactly what you need. Let's get started. The product is the Ceelpeopar Electric Knife Sharpener, and it is built to make sharpening simple and precise. One of the first things you notice is that it gives you 3 adjustable rotational speeds: low, medium, and high. That actually makes a big difference. A delicate blade can be sharpened on low speed to avoid damage, while tougher tools can handle medium or high speed. You are not stuck with one setting for everything, which gives you more control. Right on the front, there is an LCD display. It clearly shows the selected speed, so you always know what setting you are using. This is helpful, especially if you are new to electric sharpeners. You are not guessing or wondering if you pressed the right button. Everything feels clear and easy to follow. Using the Ceelpeopar Electric Knife Sharpener is very straightforward. You turn it on, choose your speed, place the knife into the correct slot, and pull it out in one direction. That is it. Repeat this 3 to 5 times per slot, and the blade starts to regain its sharp edge. There is no complicated technique required. The design guides the blade at the right angle, which helps you get consistent results. Another strong point is versatility. This sharpener is not only for basic kitchen knives, it supports straight knives, serrated knives, meat cleavers, ceramic knives, scissors, and even axes. That means one device can handle most of the sharp tools in your home or workspace. Instead of buying different sharpeners for different tools, you have one compact solution. To take things a step further, it includes removable ceramic polishing rods. After sharpening, these rods help refine and polish the blade edge. The result is a smoother finish that improves precision cutting. You can really feel the difference when slicing or chopping. The blade glides more easily instead of dragging through food. Cleaning is usually the messy part with sharpening, but Ceelpeopar made it easier with a bottom swarf plate. This plate collects metal shavings and debris during the sharpening process. Your counter stays cleaner and you are not left with scattered metal dust. When you are done, simply remove the plate, empty it, and wash it. It saves time and effort. Even with all these features, the Ceelpeopar Electric Knife Sharpener stays compact. It does not take up much space on the counter or in a drawer. The design feels practical and focused on performance without being bulky. There is also responsive after-sales support included. If you ever have questions or run into an issue, help is available. That adds a layer of confidence when choosing a tool like this. So instead of struggling with dull blades or replacing knives too often, this sharpener gives you a simple way to maintain them and keep them efficient. Ready to sharpen things up? Check the price link in the description. And if you found this helpful, like and subscribe to Tech Product. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.